Good morning mga kabangbang! For today's video, pupunta tayo sa Lorenzo's Resto Bar! Limad to? Whoa! We are here at Lorenzo's sa Festive Mall and we bought tapsuy and adobo na kanding. It's my first time to be to be eating kanding na adobo. So let's try! Mas namin sa kaldereta ang kanding. So, probably, if given another chance to celebrate something, we'll be back here to try their caldereta. Yeah. That's it. You like it? You like it nila? Bawal magsayang. This is roughly 700, good for 5. And sulit siya. Something that you could go back to. Actually, hindi pwede kami siya pang isa. May senior tayo. So that's 680 divided by 5. That's about 130 pesos less senior pa. Diba? Ang combo nila we have at bihon galing ang side, it's 170 pesos. So, mayugid nga mag-buy kamo as platter. There you go. Ay, hala, manong, mahatag na lang ko. Sorry. Channel. Kung bago pa lang kamo diri, pindot ang subscribe button, pati ka ang lingganay, kag hindi pagkalimdin. Remain inspired!